Hey friends, so for more than 2 years, I've been able to help different people to find the best ways and legit ways to get donation and financial support online. I do help people raising money for their medical bills, school fees, or even start a small business. And all of this just by using very simple methods that I share on this channel. And today, I'm so happy to share this method with you. These are proven methods that if you're following all these methods, you'll be the one who is going to receive money from rich people all around the world. This is our very first method. You need to tell your story honestly. So if you need a donation from these platforms, you need to come up with this story that is going to make people feel connected to you. So you need to come up with this amazing story which is going to be emotional and that can motivate other people to listen to your story and feel the need to donate money for you, because without the story, people are really not going to believe you and people are really not going to donate money for you. So I really encourage, before going ahead and join on these platforms, you really have to understand that how are you really going to catch people's attention with your story. So this story that you're going to write, this story that you're going to share on this platform, it really has to be very honest, but also it really has to be emotional. So right now, if you're sick, or you need money to pay rent, you need money to pay for school fees, or you need money to pay for medical bills, all you want to do right now, you need to sit down and ask yourself, like, if this story that I'm writing down is going to motivate different people who are going to see on the internet and feel the need to donate money for you. So before anything, you just have to come up with this story that you think is really going to touch different people's heart and make sure that they are going to donate money for you, because that is very important, the story that you come up with. So right now, let's move to the next one. This is our second method, and you need to set a clear financial goal. So let's say that right now you're sick and you need at least $1,000 for your medical bills and treatment. All you want to do right now after joining on this platform, you have to be specific on how much you really want. Let's say that you want $1,000. Go ahead and let there, I want $1,000 for this and this. So you need to explain like all the costs. You need to break down like all the costs for your treatment, and people may be able to help you after noticing that how much you really want. So you really have to be specific, and it's very important to set a financial goal for your need. And as you can see, all of these people on these platforms, they have written down like how much they really want for their financial need. So let's move to the next one. This is our next one. You need to use platforms that are very trusted. The reason that a lot of people are not receiving donations and are not making this money from this platform is that, I've been posting too many videos on how to get free money, on how to get donation from this website for more than 2 years. So I clearly understand that there are too many websites that are claiming that you are going to get donation on a given website, but if you go ahead and try on that website, it turns out to be a scam website. So I really encourage everyone, before go ahead and try to join on other platform that you're going to join is very trusted. And for now, I can recommend GoFundMe, Indiegogo, and these other two websites, which are Fundly and Crowdfunder. These are very trusted websites, and I'm pretty sure that if you follow all these methods and go on this website and ask for money, ask for help, ask for financial help, this website is going to do something for you that you'll be so grateful. You have to choose the best platforms which are very trusted, and do not go ahead and just join to any website. This is very going to save your time. Alright, so right after joining on this platform, you will be given this link, and this link is where people are going to click on this link and donate money for you. So you have to make it easy, and I need to suppose that you have to share this link to each social media that you're using. It can be Facebook, it can be Instagram, and a social media that you are sharing your story to. You have to make sure that the link is very easy to find, so that anyone who is interested to donate money for you can just go ahead and click that link and donate money for you. So you really have to make it easy for anyone who is interested to donate money for you by sharing this link to each profile that you have. It can be Facebook or Instagram. This is very important. You need to be everywhere. So right now you're facing financial struggle. You don't have money to pay for your rent. You don't have money to pay for your school fees, for medical bills, and too many things. So the only thing that people are going to hear your story is for you to go ahead and be everywhere. What I mean by saying be everywhere, you need to create too many accounts on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and by saying that, you have to share your story on all these platforms. On Instagram, people they have to hear you from Instagram. People have to hear you from TikTok and too many social media. So I really encourage you. You really have to go ahead, be shameless. Go ahead, share your story on Instagram, post videos as many as you can. Do this over and over again. I'm saying this because no one is really going to help you until you go ahead and share this story to the world so that your story can be heard and people can be interested to donate money for you. So I really encourage that. You really have to be everywhere. You really have to post your videos to share your story. Too many places. It can be just a picture. It can be a story like what you're really going through. Just go ahead and share this story to many people as you can, and people will be interested to donate money for you. Without that, it will be very hard for you to get money from these people, because people are not going to donate money for someone who they really don't know, or for anything that they really don't know about. So it's really important for you to go ahead and share your story on social medias. Alright, so this is our last method. You need to keep them more updated. So right after starting receiving money from different people who are going to donate money for you, it's very important for you to go ahead and keep them updated, like how much you have received and how much left for you to keep going with that campaign. So it's really important to make sure that they really know everything about the donation. And also it's very important for you to go ahead and record a short clip thanking them that you have received this amount of money and all that. This is very important to keep them updated, because it's going to create this connection between you and your audience. So I've seen a lot of people saying that it's really hard for them to go ahead and share their stories on Facebook, on Instagram, because they are afraid people who know them, they may see the story and it can feel a little weird for them. So the only thing that I want to say right now, if you're really in need of financial support, you really don't have to afraid of anyone, because at the end of the day, no one is going to pay for your medical bills. No one is going to save you. No one is going to help you anything. So all you can do right now is for you to go ahead and you have to try out and share a story, because at the end of the time, strangers are the one who are going to help you. The people who are not even close to you, are not even related to you, are not even know you, these are the people who are going to help you. So in order for you to reach them, it's very important for you to go ahead and share your stories on these platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. And I really encourage for you to go ahead on TikTok, because in order for your story to go viral in a very short time, you can go ahead and try on TikTok, because it's very easy to go viral on TikTok. And people are really going to donate money for you just after hearing your story. You don't have to afraid anyone that you know. All the best, and I wish that you are going to do everything that I've said in this video. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time in this channel. Thank you.